Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer apps to SD card. Okay, the first thing you should do is go to your settings app on your phone, and then after that, you have to find apps option on the settings. Alright, and then this is the apps option and just click on it. And then choose the app that you want to transfer to SD card. And I'll go with Instagram. It's right here. Just click on Instagram app. And then after that, you can choose storage. It's right here. And choose the storage used. It's right here. And you have to click change to transfer your app from phone to SD card. And you have to choose SD card like this. And you have to click move. Alright, just click on move. And you have to wait until it's 100%. Okay guys, now the Instagram has been transferred to SD card, and you have to remember guys that not all apps can be moved or transferred to SD card. As far as I know, the app that can be moved to SD card is the app like Telegram, Instagram, CapCut, and like InShot, like that. So not all apps can be moved to SD card. So you have to check it first before you move your app. Alright, that's the tutorial for me guys. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video will help you. See you on the next video. Bye!